Types of nouns. Noun. A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, animal, quality, idea, or action. For example, we have these nouns: book, libro, city, ciudad, dog, perro, happiness, felicidad, John, Juan, London, Londres, Eiffel Tower, Torre Eiffel, family, familia, team, equipo, herd, rebaño, love, amor, peace, paz, justice, justicia, tree, árbol, house, casa, rock, piedra, apple, manzana, chair, silla, dog, perro, water, agua, sugar, azúcar, oil, aceite, toothbrush, cepillo dental, basketball, baloncesto, blackboard, pizarrón. All of them belong to a different category. They are divided in categories, but you must learn vocabulary everywhere you are. While you walk on the street and you see something new, while you cook and you see a new appliance, while you are at the mechanic and you see a new tool, something like that. That's the way you must learn new vocabulary. Vocabulary is very, very interesting to learn it even before you learn the verb to be. Let's go on. The categories are like this. Common noun. A noun that refers to a general person, place, thing, or idea. Next, proper noun. A proper noun is a noun that refers to a specific person, place, or thing and is always capitalized. Then we have the examples. Next one, collective noun. A noun that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as a single entity. We are speaking of more than one person, of more than one thing. Okay, this is about talking about a group. Abstract noun. A noun that refers to a concept or idea that cannot be touched, that cannot be physically touched, seen, or seen. Okay? These ones are concrete nouns. A noun that refers to something that can be physically seen, touched, or measured. These are the concrete nouns. They can be physically seen, touched, or measured. Countable noun. A noun that can be counted. That's just what we must know about this one, that it's a noun that can be counted. And it has both. Obviously, also it's important to know. It has both singular and plural form. Then we have the uncountable noun. A noun that can be counted and does not have a plural form. Okay? So when we talk about uncountable nouns, we always speak in singular. Finally, we got a compound nouns like toothbrush, basketball, blackboard, and this is a noun that is made up of two or more words. This is made up of two or more words. Okay, so these are our categories for the nouns. But remember, as I told you at the beginning, you can learn nouns everywhere, every time. Even in your room, you can look at the window and there are more words that you can get day after day. See you next time. Don't forget to talk about your questions you have and comment them. Then I give feedback. See you next time.